Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Want to give a shout out to right now?
Real Speed Racing. We put the motor in the car last night at 7 o'clock at night.
Wow.
Out here.
Wow.
No testing, no nothing. So.
Wow.
Ransom, baby, Ransom. Remember that name out of Real Speed.
Yeah.
Congratulations, guys. That's it. That's so awesome, man. Congratulations.
Last night, man. Worked all night.
All night,
Came
huh?
out here today, tested first pass, blew the tires off. We just stayed after it all day.
Stayed after it, man.
Okay.
Awesome, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you, man.